Hello, Taft students. This is Mr. Gilchrist, Taft's Associate Principal. We look very forward to having you in Taft, even though we'll be virtual to start. Today's video will teach you how to join your Google Classroom and how to join a Google Meet for each of your classrooms. The first thing that you'll want to do is log into your Chromebook and then log in to your @CR Schools Gmail account in a Chrome browser. Once you're there, you should see these icons in the top right screen. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is check your email. To do so, simply click on the grid and click on Gmail. And then you might know that you'll have a few emails with a class invitation. If you've had a class invitation, please click on that email and you can click the join button here. The other option is for you to click on your grid view and go to Classroom, and then any classes that you have been invited to join will show up in what's called your Google dashboard, your classroom dashboard. So I've invited this student, and you would simply click join to join the classroom that you were invited to. Once you've joined, you'll notice that on the Stream tab, the classroom will have a banner with some very important information. One piece of information is how to join the Google Meet. Anytime that your class is scheduled, the teacher will be hosting a Google Meet to instruct and help you practice the content that they are teaching. To join the Google Meet, you simply click on the link in the dashboard and it will take you to a Google Meet. Prior to joining the Meet, you will want to mute your microphone and keep your camera on, and then click Join Now. Once you're joined, you can change the settings, such as how you view the individuals that are joining your class and your ability to chat and see other people that might be in the Google Meet. So these instructions should help you get started on day 1 of school, which is coming soon. It's Monday the 21st. All the teachers here at Taft are excited to see you, even though it's going to be through a computer. Have a great day.